What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over how to place a stop loss on a take profit. So as you're trading my strategy, you are going to see price action between 3 a.m., 9 a.m., and you're going to mark out your highs and lows. Okay, so let's pretend like this is the price action. Okay. No, we need 12 as well. Just say that this is 12. Okay. Now, these are not the right times. I know. Don't worry about it though. So we got 3. In fact, I'll mark them out just so it's simpler. We got 3. We got 9. We got 12. London high. London low. Okay. So we all know what we're waiting for here. Price to come and push up and break one of these levels. Let's say price breaks the low and pushes up. We see our fair value gap. We see our fair value gap right there. We see price push into it, show a rejection wick, which I showed in my last video, and then push out. Okay. So now you're like, I want to take this trade. This is the setup I've been taught. What you're going to want to do is go up here in trading view and select long position. Click where the candle closed, like where you're going to enter. Okay. You're going to set. Now I'm just going to tell you where to set your stop loss in the profit. Your stop loss is going to want to be in one place and one place only. Never change this place, at least for my strategy. Okay. It's going to be below the swing low or swing high. So the farthest price went whenever it took out one of these levels. So it'd be right there. And take profit out of 1 to 3. Super simple, guys. Super simple. Super simple. Super simple. Okay? That's it. So let's look here at this trade. Oh my gosh, dude, my chart is so messy, man. Like, it's genuinely a wreck. Oh my gosh. I've got to clean this shit out. Like, genuinely. Okay. As you can see, price 3, 9. As you can see, price broke the high. Our stop loss was at the top of the move, the highest point of the move, okay? Say we're going to trade this right here. Okay. 3, 9, 12. Okay. Say we're going to trade this right here. Let's just say we see a perfect setup. Let's just say we see a setup even if we don't. Okay. Which we actually do see one right here. You're going to want to enter, before you enter the trade, place your stop loss below the farthest price push past. The farthest that the price pushed past, the higher the low. Okay? And you're going to want to place your take profit out of 1 to 3. Now, you may be asking me, can I just do this every time? That seems like easy money every single time. The answer is no. Because whenever you get to, I would have personally maybe taken this trade here. I don't know. I would have had to see what news was like and everything. But the second you get to London session high, if you're pushing past it and you're not at a 1 to 3, as you can see I'm not, you cannot trade because then you were not taking a 1 to 3. Okay? If price had made this setup a little bit earlier, say like right here, boys, you could easily have a 1 to 3. Okay? Just like this. But the thing is, it's not how it works. You need, not all setups are going to be pitch perfect. So you're going to have to make sure that you're 1 to 3, that you're at a 1 to 3 before you hit the opposite liquidity. Okay? Let's delete these lines. I'll show you another example. Okay, right here. 3, 9, 12. Okay, let's mark this out. Okay. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna do this with you. Okay, our trading session starts. We see price. I've got to change these lines to this. It's just distracting me. Okay. As you can see, price pushes it. So now we're looking for a fair value gap to the downside for a sell position. Oh, I'm also on the wrong time frame. As you guys can see, we get a fair value gap right here. It's not big, but it also is a double fair value gap, which I will go over double fair value gaps and unicorns in my next video. As you can see, we get a rejection from it. So we would enter a short position here, but let's make sure on the 5-minute that this fair value gap is not here on the 5-minute. Great, there's no fair value gap on the 5-minute. Okay, so we would enter a short here, and tell me where my stop loss would be. Okay, the farthest price pushed through, the higher the low. That'd be right there. What do we target? A 1 to 3. Okay, let's see if we win this trade. I mean, you don't win all your trades, so I don't know. And we win it. Easy money, easy $450. Easy money right there, okay? Like, I didn't even script that, low key. So, my memory's so bad. I don't even remember what price did before the replay, I swear. So, yeah. So, say that price decided to push up here. Say that price decided to do something like this. Okay, let's go back into replay mode. Say that price decides to do something like this. Fair value gap here. Okay, we see a retracement, we see a rejection. So, but now we're entering here. And you need to place your stop loss the farthest that price broke through, the higher the low. And you try and get a 1 to 3, but you end up pushing through opposite liquidity. You cannot do that. The reason is because this is the farthest that price could go, most likely. Farthest that price will go, most likely. So unless your take profit can hit and you can get a 1 to 3 before going past this with this at the swing high or swing low. I don't even know what I just said. This is a whole bunch of yap. But yeah, so I hope you guys understand that. So let's go over one more trade. I'll do one more trade with you guys. I'm just really trying to get this drilled in your head. Okay. This looks like a messy day. 3, 9, 12. Actually, this might be decent. Genuinely might be decent. So, dang, this is a sexy setup. Maybe. So, alright, let's go over the setup. So, what are we going to do? Mark out our London session high and low. High and our low. Select bar. Okay. So, let's see what price does. Okay. We see it break to the upside. So, we're looking for a fair value gap to the downside on the 3-minute. As you guys can see, we get one. Okay. As you guys can see, we get one. So, if we can get a... Look. Let's check the 5-minute, though. See if there's a fair value gap there. There's not. So, let's see if we can get an entry off this. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure I actually traded this day, and the same thing happened to me. Unlucky as hell. So as you guys can see, we did not get an entry off this, because this was just unlucky. But it would have worked. Say that this fair value, say that this fair value, say this was a bearish candle right here. Okay, where would we enter? Okay, say this was a bearish candle. Where would our stop loss be? Above the farthest swing high or swing low point, above or below it. And then where's this going to be? At a 1 to 3. Super simple, just like that. So that's how you enter. That's how you enter and get your stop losses and take profits in the correct spot. Super simple. There's not much more to it. I'm gonna be posting trade recaps every single day that I take a trade on my YouTube and on my TikTok, which is this same thing on TikTok. I gotta be honest, I'm proud of 81 views and 31 views and 64 and 21 views. Like, I gotta be honest, like, I know it's not insane numbers, but I'm pretty proud of that. Like, I'm happy with that. So, yeah, I'm gonna be posting my trade recaps a lot. I'm gonna make a whole nother playlist for them and everything. But yes, that's how you place your stop loss and take profits. Next video is gonna be going over unicorn setups, what they are, and how reliable they are, as well as double fair value gaps. So, but before I hop into that video next, I just would like to say that they are all variations of fair value gaps. So you do not need to watch those videos, but they are good to know. It's an extra confluence. I might not even make the video because I'm really trying not to overcomplicate this for you guys. Even though it sounds like I am, but I'm really trying not to. So I actually probably won't be uploading a video on that. Just because a fair value gap is a fair value gap, and unless it's been disrespected, it's still very useful. And the unicorn and double fair value gap could just overcomplicate things for you guys that you don't need. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna upload this video, and hopefully it helped out.